Hello everybody, and welcome to BossBoxBreaks, random number 2. It sold out yesterday evening, actually a couple hours ago. It's 12:50 in the morning, March 7th. It's sold out March 6th, 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. We got all 30 spots filled. Anti-Horseman took 10, thank you very much. We give you a bonus pack. Marty took 8, Rocky got Fury, and we got Mr. Windsor, who had a team carried over to next random because he wanted to buy so many. So we're going to random it 3 times, and then Vanner's going to write down the teams, and we'll show you the list, and we'll go from there. So random 1. We got Rocky on top and NT Horseman on the bottom. 2, Fury on top, Marty on the bottom. And third and final, good luck, we got Rocky on top and Fury on the bottom. So we're going to start writing in the winners list here. Starting with Rocky. There you go. Mr. Windsor on Arizona. Mr. Windsor on Boston. NT Horseman on Buffalo. Mr. Windsor on Calgary. Marty on Carolina. Marty on Chicago. Rocky on Colorado. Marty on Columbus. NTH on Dallas and Detroit. Marty on Edmonton. Florida, you got NTH is Florida. Fury is Los Angeles, and Marty is Minnesota. Just in case you guys are wondering how we're getting that, we have all the teams numbered 1 to 30. 1 is Winnipeg, or 30 is Winnipeg, 1 is Anaheim. So Vanner's just writing in a list based off the random. So we got Marty with Montreal, NTH with Nashville, Marty, New Jersey, Marty, New York Islanders, got Rocky with New York, NTH with Ottawa, Rocky with Philly, Mr. Windsor with Pittsburgh, Fury with San Jose, NTH with St. Louis, Tampa, Toronto, Rocky with Vancouver, NTH with Washington, and Fury with Winnipeg. We'll do one last scan here. I'll get this computer out of the way. Alright, so now we have our winners list. I got my bonus area back. Got our box. Anti-Horseman, thank you very much again. He grabbed the 10 team deal that we have for the random. So we threw you your own pack. And this one does have a game worn jersey in it. Alright, so the box. Ending in 600. I picked the funkiest box I could find for the random. So we emailed you guys this box number if you're wondering where we got it. I sent out an email at around 10 something. Alright, just going to go from the side. Empty. We got our packs. Not sure if there's any big ones in there. Good luck. Stay tuned at the end for the bonuses. Got our no-hit bonus and our bonus pack for anybody. Alright, as usual, base stays with us and you guys will get all the hits. So good luck again. For Carolina and Marty. A Riley Nash, Metallic Marks Bronze. So there you go, Marty. Pack 2. Kessel from Minnesota. And Marty again. Nino Niederreiter, Metallic Marks Bronze. There you go, Marty. Marty had 8 teams, I believe, in this one. Save some hits from somebody else there, Marty. Jeez. Pack 3. Station. And for the Pittsburgh Penguins and Mr. Windsor, a very, very nice 9 of 25 Mario Lemieux milestones memorabilia card. I can't tell you if that's patch, prime, or what it is, but it's nice looking and it's numbered to 25. So Mr. Windsor, there you go. There you go. Very unique piece of something for sure. Got our base. And for the Montreal Canadiens and Marty, 95 of 100, Greg Peterin. And that's a rookie. So Montreal. And in the same pack for Nashville, an NTH, Roman Josi, or Josie, Titanium Reserve autograph. So there you go, Nashville, NTH. There you go. Not bad. 3 autos. Nice jersey card. I'm just going to assume this is a game worn gear, so nobody get their hopes up, but could be a hot box. For Detroit, an NTH, Nicholas Lidstrom, game worn gear card. So there you go, NTH. Picked it up at the end for you. And there she is. We're going to do some bonuses. You guys have all been here before, so you've all seen the 30-sided die. Vanner's marked down the hits. We're going to give away a no-hit bonus pack and 1 to anybody. Inserts, rookies, no base. Team 18. Team 18 is Marty with New Jersey. So you go, Marty. You'll get bonus pack 1. And bonus pack 2 will go to Team 27. And that's Toronto and NTH. So bonus pack 2. So we've got all our hits there. Banner's going to scroll in on. Just to let you guys know, we got another one gone already. NTH already scooped up 10 teams, so she's going quick. I think there's only 19 left. We've got 2, that's right, 2 4-box breaks going tomorrow. That's Saturday. Actually today now. So check them out. We'll see you guys later.